Despite the Mercedes-Benz X-Class being a massive flop, some loyal fans still ask about the possibility of a next-generation truck from the luxury brand. This comes after Mercedes-Benz pulled the plug just 2 years after the car was introduced, basically admitting that it made a huge mistake. In case you need a refresher, the X-Class was based on the D23 Nissan Frontier, known as the Navara in other parts of the world. Mercedes teamed up with Nissan for 2 reasons. The first and most obvious was to save development costs. The second reason was a shorter gestation period. The introduction of new 2025 Mercedes-Benz X-Class pickup trucks marks a significant milestone in the evolution of the brand's versatile and high-performance vehicle lineup. These pickup trucks are designed to redefine the standards of luxury, power, and functionality in the pickup truck segment. They boast a sleek and robust exterior design that exudes confidence and sophistication on the road. With advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz X-Class pickup trucks deliver unrivaled performance and capability. Additionally, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz X-Class pickup trucks are equipped with state-of-the-art safety features and driver assistance systems to ensure maximum protection for both passengers and pedestrians. These pickup trucks are a true testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to innovation, quality, and performance.